Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to unprotect your posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the desktop or PC version of the app. Whether you're looking to make your profile public again, or just want your posts to reach a wider audience, I'll walk you through every step of the new update. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's open, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with different icons and options. Find and click on the More icon. It usually looks like 3 small dots or ellipses stacked together. After clicking that, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage every aspect of your account, from your profile visibility to your content preferences. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls who can see what you share and how your account interacts with others. Inside Privacy and Safety, look for Audience, Media, and Tagging. This is where the important option is located. Click to open it, and you'll see different settings that affect how your content is shared and who can interact with it. Now, you'll find the option that says Protect Your Posts. If it's currently checked, that means your posts are private and visible only to your approved followers. To make your posts public again, simply uncheck the box next to Protect Your Posts. Once you uncheck it, your settings will update automatically. From this point on, your future posts will be visible to anyone on X, even if they don't follow you. You've now successfully unprotected your posts. And that's it. Quick, simple, and done in less than a minute. Now your content can reach a bigger audience, new followers can find you more easily, and your posts will appear in searches and timelines again. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching.